Hi, I'm Emma Barry, Global Fitness Authority. So on February the 19th, we launched my new book, Building a Badass Boutique, your 10-touch journey to designing a fitness studio that rocks. We launched in London before UK Active's boutique fitness conference called Sweat. And little did we know that the following month we would lock down into unprecedented times in fitness and indeed the greater economy. So on two recent podcasts with Glowfox, the Fitness Founders podcast, and the Fitness Business Asia podcast, we discussed why I wrote the book. And it really comes down to the most efficient way to share knowledge quickly with a lot of people. Now, everything I know about creating fitness experiences is in here. And when COVID hit, I immediately took my book online to a masterclass so that I could share it with more of the market and that together we could come back stronger. So everything that is in this book is true today. And in fact, it becomes even more important because if anything, we need rock solid foundations in the new normal. So this content is for you if you don't know exactly what your why is. Perhaps you don't know how to elegantly and comprehensively provide solutions for your members. Maybe you don't have a powerful enough brand in the marketplace against competitors. Maybe your rockstar staff and highly engaged members don't adore you. Maybe your programming is not science-backed, consistent, on-trend and inspirational. Or maybe you haven't created an inspirational enough backdrop for transformation in your facility. Maybe you don't have the right slick, intuitive and seamless processes in place. Maybe you don't have a robust playbook or plan to execute. Maybe you're not moving at the ideal cadence that traverses the trends while operates sustainably. Or maybe you just don't have the overall blueprint which delivers your dream. Now, because most studios I visit have some but not all the pieces in place, I wrote this book to cover the 10 Ps, and this has become even more important as we prepare to reopen facilities. Good will scale and bad will fail. Now, people tell me this book, while it centers around fitness, is actually a small business book. So any boutique, any studio, club, big box, digital community or business that needs foundational basis would take great value from it. And I also created a 100-page workbook to help you create your new and improved future. Every business is fine-tuning, learning, adapting and improving. This is your chance to strengthen your foundations, your strategies and tactics to give you the business, the following and the profit that you deserve. I have so much more to share, so click the link to get your free resource.